In this video, we're going to continue our conversation about web constructions. And in the previous page, we started with a truth value where we knew W equaled 16, and then from there built a new expression, a new equation, each time by making alterations, by either adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing by a value. This time, we're going to look at this particular problem where we know that the expression x minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And so just to recap, we know that the x minus 3, so we subtracted 3 first, and then we divided by 2, and that ends up telling us that that truth value for this expression is valued at 4. So that's where we're going to start with this one. And if we notice that x minus 3 divided by 2, that hasn't changed, but what's been included on this new expression is the addition of 5. So in the box, we're going to state that we're going to add 5. Okay, so we're going to use the words add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And then, so if our new expression has changed by 5, that means the new truth value has also been added by 5, which means that we are going to make this new truth value worth 9. So the expression, the full entire expression, x minus 3 divided by 2 plus 5, its new value, its new truth value is now 9. Let's look at one down here where we have two alterations that have happened. We have to figure out what happened kind of in the middle so we can get to the bottom. And so there's these two examples here. And in this particular case, I'm looking at 4x plus 3, and down at the bottom I have 8x plus 17. And so I'm looking that the 4x changed to an 8x, and so that's probably by multiplication. In this problem, the 4x doesn't change, so what happens in the middle is probably working with this 4x minus 1. But here, the 4x changes to 8x, so it looks like we're going to focus in on this 4x has now changed to an 8x, and so that means we're going to multiply by 2. And so when we multiply by 2, everything gets multiplied, so we have 8x plus 6, and this new truth value is twice the 16, which makes this 32. Now we figured out what the 8x was, so we've got that part, and now this plus 6 has become a plus 17, so that must mean that we're going to add 11, and when we add 11, instead of this being worth only 32, we got to add 11 more there, and now our new truth value is going to be 43.